Guys, dito kami. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Asan tayo?
Nasa Lourdes, France.
Yes, France.
Portugal.
Portugal.
Punta ng Father ngayon sa Lourdes, sa Rome.
Look at this beautiful places. Jesus Christ.
No? Yung blue talaga.
Very relaxing.
Sky blue.
Sky blue.
Look at the beauty of the nature. Beauty of nature.
Light na light.
See?
Tapos may greens.
Masarap ng pakiramdam. The Holy Land.
Holy Land talaga.
The Holy Land.
Yan kasi yung mga bilog-bilog, yan yung rosary. Yung